Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. If you are someone who loves the look of a rock garden and want to include one in your backyard, we have some ideas you don't want to miss. First, you want to pick out the perfect space. A rock garden will do best in sunny, sloped, or raised areas. Examine your area and come up with a plan on how you want to lay it out. Next, prepare the site by clearing the area of all grass, weeds, and debris. Pay attention to the drainage. If you've chosen an area that is not on a natural slope, dig out some soil to create a slight slope. If needed, add a layer of gravel or sand to improve the drainage. The rocks. Choose rocks that vary in size and shape. Use larger rocks as anchors. Position them to create a natural look. Stagger the rocks, making sure there are no straight lines or symmetry. Bury them slightly to make them more integrated with the soil. Use the smaller rocks to fill in the gaps. Again, make sure to stagger the rocks for a more natural appearance. Use the rocks to create ledges and levels. Select your plants, consider their height, texture, and colors that will complement each other. Plant the flowers between the rocks in layers. Make sure the taller plants don't overshadow the smaller ones. Once you have finished planting, add a layer of mulch or small gravel so plants will retain their moisture. It will also deter weeds from growing. We've put together a list of some plants that you may want to consider. If you are looking for ground-hugging plants, you may want to try succulents. They are a great addition to any rock garden. Two of our favorites are sedum. There are dozens of varieties and their blooms can be anywhere from white to pink and even yellow. Hens and chicks. A succulent that comes in a variety of colors such as green, purple, and gray. You may want to add some herbs like creeping thyme. It is a low-growing herb, making it perfect for ground covers. Its blooms are purple. Lavender is an aromatic evergreen plant that can be planted in clusters. It has purple flowers that cluster into a spike. And then there is rosemary, a fragrant herb with blue flowers and needle-like leaves. Add a little rosemary to your dishes for a culinary delight. A few perennials you may want to consider are rock cress. Makes a perfect addition to any rock garden with its cascading flowers and blooms in white, purple, and pink. Dianthus are popular among gardeners. The flowers are fragrant and come in a variety of colors such as pink, purple, white, and red. Creeping phlox is a carpet-like plant with vibrant colors of pink, blue, lavender, and white. Sea holly got its name from its thistle-like leaves. It grows in clusters, making it a perfect rock garden favorite. You may want to add some ornamental grasses, such as blue fescue. Its blue-gray foliage and clump-forming grass is perfect for rock gardens. Another great grass is Carex commons. It grows in mounds and has fine hair-like foliage that falls in arches. It's easy to maintain, making it perfect for rock gardens. Once you've planted your rock garden, be creative. There are so many great ways you can personalize it, like adding a small fountain or some garden accessories. For your convenience, we have supplied links to these products below.
We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.